Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-medical visa to India using Su-Swagatam official app. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, this Su-Swagatam app is a very good and becoming popular. As of now, 60 nationalities have been included in this. That means 60 nationality citizens of 60 nations can use this facility to apply Indian visa, and it offers various services under visa, regular visa and e-visa. Okay. So I'm going to show you how. So right now I have logged in into this app. I have opened this app. I'm going to tap apply on visa. So in the nationality, you need to select your nationality. I just selected Argentina because that is eligible as of now. So you have visa types, regular visa, that you can say paper-based visa, like where the first stage you fill online and then you submit. So here, if you go for regular visa, you can submit the initial information using this app, and then later on you are going to do and submit in person. Okay. Based on your location, the process they have. So for e-visa, where everything is online, we are going to select what options we get. So I tapped on e-visa. See, we have e-business, e-medical attendant, e-medical and tourist visa. So I'm going for e-medical. Okay. And then we go next. Oh, sorry. Purpose of visit. Short-term medical treatment of self. Okay. Fine. Okay. Describe, and so right now I'm just putting something sample, but in your actual visa application, you have to do everything in detail, right? Fee they give, and document detail. What are the documents? Copy of passport, copy of letter from the hospital concerned in India or its on its letterhead. Of course, hospital letter. You need to provide correct information. Then passport, ordinary, date of birth, as per your case. Just arrival, expected date of arrival, let's say 20. Port of arrival, let's say Delhi. Do it as per your own case. Okay. Now, of course, I won't be submitting and paying the fee. Surname. So I'm just putting sample. John Smith. Have you ever changed your name? I'm not putting it. But if you put, they will ask gender. Male. Town, city of birth, Argentina. I don't need city. I'll just say Argent. But do it as per your own case. Country of birth, Argentina. Citizenship, national ID number. I'm just doing sample. Religion. Educational, visible mark. I'm saying not applicable, but definitely, like if you have something, definitely will go. Graduate. By birth. Have you lived for at least 2 years in the country where you are applying visa? So I select yes. Based on your situation, you're going to do this. Passport number. Sample, guys. Place of issue. Check your passport, it will be there. Okay. Then date of issue, date of expiry. Both of these details are going to be in your passport. So nothing to worry about that. It's very simple. So that's how. It's very simple. And make sure it's you enter and verify everything twice. Any information, any other valid passport and certificate held. If you put yes, they will ask for the issue. If not, so if you have, definitely select yes. Nothing to hide. Present address, house number, street, village, town, city. 10. Argentina. Zip code. Mobile number. Phone number. Okay. Permanent address same as present. Okay. Father's details, name. I'm just writing Peter Smith. Peter Smith, nationality, place of birth. I mean city where they are born, or whatever is applicable in their document. I'm just putting Argentina for both, but that's not gonna be in actual. Mother's name, let's say Susan Smith. Place of birth, country of birth, marital detail, unmarried. If you're married, provide. Where are your grandfather, mother? What's your national procedure from Pantal? Pakistan national, belong to Pakistan held area. If you put yes, you need to provide details, but I assume in this case no, so I do that. Present occupation. You can click on search button if they have any. I just say okay. So let's see IT. Wow, IT can parameter college university teacher. Okay, employer, provide the information. I'm just putting time pass value, but provide like absolutely correct values after you go through. Are you were in a military, semi-military, police security organization? I select no, but if you have, definitely provide details. Now it's going to the visa details tab. Places to be visited. So where your hospital is located? I just want to tell you. Have you booked any room in hotel resort? I select no. But like generally people when they go, they have, right? After port of exit, I'll just say Delhi. Medical invitation letter number. Wow. Name of the hospital, where so I just say Roosh Hospital, just a name. Address Delhi, that is something. State Delhi. I'm putting sample, guys. Phone number, type of medical treatment requested. I'll just say surgery. Oh, district Delhi. Surgery. Okay, next. Have visited India before? The no is selected, but if you have yes, have permission to visit Australia and stay in India previously be refused. So I select no for both of them, but if you have, definitely. Have you used and visited any countries last 10 years? I select no. Any SAR countries except your own during last 3 years? I select no. Oh, sorry about that. Reference name. So when you are going for treatment, definitely you will have reference, right? So Dr. Jai Ho. I don't know if there's any doctor with this name, but I just said sample. Phone number. Reference name in home country. Hello. Sample, guys, I told you, right? These are not real values. Next. Have you ever been arrested, prosecuted by law? If yes, so security question and then sign. And next is gonna be asking you for a document upload and fee. So of course I'm not gonna do that because it's accepting, but you got an idea how to do this. And so thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.